Okay, so we just got done optimizing this post, which is the Paleo Vegan diet post. So what we need to do now is we got our keywords, and what you want to do is just make sure you have these keywords, you know what they are, because we're going to be putting it in our rank reporting. Okay, so let's find that post. It's going to be on the other page. Okay, so um, what we're going to do is right here we just updated the post, so we're going to right click on the view post, and then we're going to copy link location. And what we're doing is just copying the link to this post. Okay, so what we're going to do is come down to rank reporter. Okay, let's just open that up in a new tab. Okay, so our rank reported. Now what we're going to do is click on add keywords. Now remember, our first keyword is going to be Paleo Diet. Our URL is that particular post. We want to try to rank that post for Paleo Diet. So we're going to paste in the URL to that particular post and then click on Add to Reporter. Now at this point, it's very important that you click on Confirm and Add to Reporter. And what will happen is this will get tracked for us. Okay, so if we go down and click, well, if you scroll down, you're going to see it here. Okay, so our keyword is Paleo Diet. This is our URL. Right now it's not in the top 100, so we can monitor this and see how far we can get this up, and we want to get this on page 1. That's our goal. Okay, so now we've done one post. Okay, this is what you're going to do for all of the posts. So if you would like, we can go and do one more. Let's go back to post real quick. So we'll just click on all posts and go back to all of our posts. Now the next one is the art of creating a green smoothie drink. We need to see what keywords we're going to have in here. And keep in mind, right now we're not too worried about all the stats of a keyword and all that. What we're concerned with now is getting the keywords that we have. We want to get that just SEO optimized, and we'll worry about all that other stuff later. I don't want you to get too caught up in all the metrics of keywords and all that kind of stuff. Let's just work on what we need to work on. Okay, so what we need to do is go through and find some keywords within this content. But before we do this, before we get too far ahead of ourselves, what I want to do is show you how to use a very good software to track your campaign. Okay, so this is a project, and we're going to be using a software to help us make this project a success. So we're going to be using Traffic Travis. Traffic Travis is a free software like Serpentax. Traffic Travis is a good software to help us create a campaign. So if you haven't downloaded that, download that and get Traffic Travis open, and I'm going to come right back after I get my copy open. Okay, so when you open Traffic Travis for the first time, you're going to get a video. I recommend watching those videos. You will save yourself a lot of time. So make sure at some point you watch those videos. So right now, just if you'd like to watch those and then come back and restart this video so you can follow along with me, that'd be great. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to File and then Program Options, and this is where we need to set some options. Okay, everything here you can keep pretty much where it needs to be. If you want to use proxies, you can. Normally you don't need them. Your AdWords account we are going to have to change. and it's going to ask you for your sitemap URL. If you don't know this, you can leave it blank, and the software will try to get that URL for you. And in the next box, we're going to be putting in our keywords.